Khyndai Lad kalakala longkum kawai na ki chaka kamai chakpo ik babon ki longkumi ki bapin bit pin biang ya ki yeng kasam habai keramat ki lap thai kubor ka menteri sarkar bape ya katan ka koi ka khia ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo kala ong ban chukunno the auria ne ki nongdie met ya baroh ki budan Khyndai Lad kam dei henrei dei ban pande shisha shwa namar ki babon ki samla kynthei bat ki longkumi ki wan na la ki kam lajong Hakaju opor kala ai ka jiro ki pulet ki balatrei shitom nak benta ban pyntikna bakan omdon ka jingsang makya ki por memet bat don kam ban pe bnia bha ban lain nak jingma bat kalong ka badei e nak benta ban pyntikna la ne ban pinsha ki brio om ban shukono nongdie lut ya baro ki bodon Khyndai Lad
has become a big business for women. But I feel that you need to verify all of these informations first, no? And police is now engaging actively to ensure that there is no hanging out or hanging around of individuals at public spaces, especially if it is a very late in the night and all that. I feel that they're doing the right thing, and we need to purge to the furthest extent possible anything that will put anyone in any harm. We have to be vigilant, we have to be alert, and I think the police is doing the right thing. And we need to have several other factors to first verify before you can consider every woman standing on a road as a sex worker, because that is also incorrect. We must have some parameters, we must have some specific indicators that suggest such. So I also feel that too much of policing is also not good, but the lack of it is also not good. I think what we need right now is to request the public to start policing themselves. And if you want to have your fun like you do, if you want to be seen going out late hours of the night, then you have to act responsibly. I mean, the moment the police are involved in this kind of a vigilante, then it becomes a problem, because you need to then decide. And it is a very tricky situation. So let us see what their result will be, and then maybe we will be briefed also.